Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to change OnlyFans password. Since there is no any official application of OnlyFans, so you need to change your password from any browser. Firstly, you need to open any browser according to your preference. On the search bar, click over there and search onlyfans.com. Now it will direct you to your OnlyFans account. On the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on Settings. On the Settings section, you can see Account. Tap on it. Scroll down on the Security section and you will see Password. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your current password. Once you finish entering your current password, then you can set your new password and also need to confirm your new password. Once you set your new password, then tap on Save. And this is how you change your OnlyFans password. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.